Hello everyone. There we go. Okay, so today I want to talk to you. Okay. So we got 3 games I'm going to be covering in the next 3 videos. Make that 4. Maybe 5. Is that 10? Okay, so I'm starting a series where I do a 1 game per video. And the game we are starting with is gonna be Roblox. And I am gonna be playing a few games just to go over them. First of all, gotta check back in with this. Alright. Okay. Okay. That's all I need to see. Alright, so the first game we're gonna be going over is Star Wars Space Battle. It's a very fun game, and all you gotta do is nothing. They do have tips if you want. So this is how you play. Press play. But you press play and you wait. Alright, so as you can see, the CIS, aka the Separatists, has 1 space left for me to play as. I love to play as them. There's also the Republic, but I love to play as the Separatists. And as you can see, we are in a giant ship. Right here, there's an advanced droid bomber. Spawn that in, and it's very fun to get in. Alright, so it's X, Y to turn on. Let me get my missiles out so I can just missile that guy. And I took a bit of damage because someone shot me from somewhere. I don't know who. But this is our ship, and they have shield generators. There's no point to this game. It's just for fun. The second someone kills me, I'm gonna leave and show you the next. Because the object of the game is just fight, pretty much. Fight forever. Uh-oh, press X. That's a cool feature! You can now press X to cut off your engines to dodge the missiles. And let's just fire it back. You have to destroy the shield generator, infiltrate the base, and kill as many enemies as you can. And as you can see, I am very full damage right there. So if I can find my freaking base. Looking. I'll be right back. Next here we have Vehicle Simulator. I'm pretty sure, just a sec, that you would have seen that before this. It's very popular. I do not have a private VFA server yet, so plan on getting one. As you can see, the cool part is I have Incognito, Tow Truck, Pocket Auto Shop, Swap, SWAT, Radio, and Insanity. I'm saving up my money so I can buy Robux for it. Now let's get to playing this and I'll show you the cool stuff. Now, I've been playing this for a while, and I just did my tutorial on how to get Starry Camo. Check that out here or here. I don't know where it's going to pop up. It's probably going to be here, maybe there, right there. Real quick. This is a cool thing. I'm on this side now. Well, this side for you. Like right there for you. With me, I'm on this side. Like I'm right here for me. Like a lot of weird. Once I get some stuff ready, I'll be right back. Oh, hey, you're back. And I'm about to lose a race. Second place. I hate second place. I hope I can go up against that boat. I don't even know how we got there, but I hope I can go up against it so that way. Hey, there, there. I can't talk. There, key. There, I can. There, key. I can't talk. Ah, dang it. This car is the best in my opinion. It's just I don't have a freaking racing tires on when they put those on. There, there, key. Pocket on the top, or racing slicks. Cool. I hope I can go up against this boat. Who's gonna win? Oh, come on. I think just because I have this small, cheap vehicle that's not a good one, because it is cheap for this game, but it is a very well vehicle once it's customized. Man, they keep kicking me out of the butt. I bite my nails. Okay. I'll get back to you. Okay, you're back. Yeah, I'm about to win. I swear if I got second place, this glitch. There's a glitch that I get second place when clearly they got second place. I'll get back to you. I'm getting good. Back. Now, as you can see, I got a posse here. Posse. Quotes. But 4 people for this 4-person race. Uh-oh. Sorry, person. And I'm in the lead. Maybe I guess I'm the one that can, drift. And yeah, of course. I'm always in second position. Don't jinx it. I, No, I didn't do this. I did this. You saw that, right? Yeah, it's not. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. No, I'm in last place. Oh, no, wait. I'm still in second place. Nope, third. No, now. Car. I'm in third place. Who's behind me? I don't know, and I don't want to find out. Luckily, it's 2 laps. 2 laps. Oh, 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 oh. Sharp turn, sharp turn, sharp turn. Hate these sharp turns because they're so sharp. Strange. I've never been third place or fourth place when doing this race. It's always been second. And then there was this one glitch where all the races could count for only one person. So, oh, well, I was in second place and now I'm in third. Again, something's gonna happen. Well, Ace the Killer 9, shout out to him because he won. And now I'm in fourth place. Come on, come on. Build up speed, please, him ball. He fell! Wow, that was so lucky! He fell. Well, now, boom. I love you. Ooh, whoa! I didn't realize this until now, but third place gets the same amount of money as first place of the airport race. I've never been in third place, so I did not know that. I don't even know. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Well, V. Whoa. Boom. It was mine from the beginning. It will always be mine. Meow. Let me. Holy smokes. This thing flips. Alrighty. 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 My hair's bothering me. Getting ready for a hot pursuit. I should have enough time. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to leave this on a cliffhanger. Goodbye. Did you really think I wasn't gonna tell you who won? Well, I am gonna tell you who won. I was a part of the police team, and we won. Because every other member of the police team doesn't even know, from my knowledge, because they never use this, because they never find the criminals. Use the map. Use the map. You can use the little tab thing. Well, for y'all, it's swapped. Yeah, this is swapped. This is my right. when it's on year left.